BabyBus.
Come and experience a
বন্ধুরা, তোমাদের জন্য নিয়ে এসেছি নতুন কার্টুন ভিডিও। যদি আমাদের ভিডিওটি দেখে তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবে না।
Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. When dining in a French restaurant, you need some formal attire. Suits and dresses are great choices. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually.
I'm not sure what to eat. Could you suggest something to me?
French meals include the appetizer, entree, and dessert, all prepared and served in order.
First, order an appetizer, onion soup. Then, select an entree, pan-fried soulfish. At last, choose a dessert tart. Appetizer, onion soup. Choose the things you need. Onion. Vegetable knife. Not this one. 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 Frying pan. French onion soup is a classic savory soup in French restaurant. The main ingredients are beef stock and onions. Make onion soup. Butter. Salt. Black pepper. Add some ingredients to make it even more tasty. Beef stock. Choose a bowl for the onion soup. Not enough coins. The onion soup will be even more delicious with bread. Spread some butter on the bread. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Wow! The onion soup is finished! Mint. Parsley flakes. Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree and fried soulfish. Choose the things you need.
Thanks for watching my video, and get more new videos. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.